Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Khalid and today I will present the video on garment dye home textile division. Garment dye is a very difficult and very interesting procedure in which the fabric forward to the garment dye section in two types after stitching and before stitching. The complete garment which are forward to the garment dye section before stitching. This garment dye will be stitched with same color. For example, we require red, black or white color. Then we will stitch the product with the required color. For example, red, white and color white, and we will forward these products color wise, size wise to the garment dye section. In garment dye section, first of all, garment dye staff segregate the color wise and size wise product and put into the garment dye machine. There is a many type of machines which will dye the products and sheets into the required color and required shades. This is the garment dye machine in which the garments or sheets put, and after the putting these products, the machine will be closed and the staff and operator will monitor these products. Now the operator will mix the chemicals for required color and required shade into this machine. These colors and shades is in different bottles or different pots. They will mix the water in these colors and put into the machine, because if he will put before the putting the garment into the machine, this is not okay. This operator is going to put the color into the garment dye machine. This procedure is a lengthy procedure. Garment dye is minimum take 8 hours to dye the fabric, and operator will monitor this shade and color obviously. This is the also chemical which used in the garment dye. After the garment dye, they will take out the product from the garment dye machine and put into the drying machine, which is also take a time to dry the product. In the textile division, many heavy and large machines are used for this purpose. This is the drying machine. We will see this is open and how many holes in this machine, and this machine will dry the product or fabric after the garment dye. We have also an other machine which rotate the product into the product in this machine, and after taking 2 hours they will dry the fabric and actual shape and actual color will be sought out. This process also take a time, because this is a garment dye, and garment dye is a very rare procedure, and this garment dye not used in each garment dye, not used in every textile, because not every textile not capable for this purpose, because this process and this procedure have high cost, and customers have some specific textile which have garment dye procedure and garment dye facilities. After the garment dye, this product will be dried, and after drying, this product will be out from the drying machine and put into the floor. After the drying this products, they will be go to the shade box, and staff will be check the shade as per standard, and after the passing by QC or QA, these products will be forward to